just finished up my makeup, and what you saw before this was like my Ramadan morning routine. I've been staying awake after suhoor every single morning because honestly, if I go back to sleep, I find myself so lazy and lethargic the rest of the day. I wake up maybe 30 minutes before Fajr and I have my suhoor, and then I pray Fajr, and then after Fajr I like stay up and do any sort of ibadah, like whether it's reading Quran, listen to a lecture, memorizing a surah. It honestly varies day to day, and then I pray the Ishraq prayer, I think that's what it's called, the sunrise prayer, and then after that I get started on like my actual morning routine, which is showering, getting ready, my makeup and all that. So today I put on makeup. Not every single day do I wear makeup, but I have a few campaigns that I need to shoot, so I figured I'll go ahead and put my makeup on earlier in the morning because honestly, once I start working, it's like the time just goes by. I can't get myself to like cut off from there. And now I'm going to quickly get dressed. If I'm being completely honest, I stay in my pajamas all day long, but since I'm vlogging, I'm going to put on something decent. What time is it? It is 8:45 and my first meeting starts at 9 a.m. So I have about 15 minutes to kind of sit down, look through my notes, and get ready. So yeah, all dressed up because I was filming a few stories for Hot Hijab. Some exciting news on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, I'm now an ambassador for them. So I'll be sharing like coupon codes, new releases, and all of this fun stuff. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. But they just released a recycled hijabs collection, which is so incredibly awesome. Their hijabs are made out of 7 to 8 recycled plastic bottles, and you can't even tell, and it still has that gorgeous soft feel. Definitely take advantage because Hot Hijab never gives discount codes, and for the first time they provided me one, and I'm super stoked. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check out the recycled collections, but oh, it's so pretty. These are the other colors and they're so pretty. So we have a gorgeous blush, a beautiful tannish nude, and then a classic beige. So yeah, I will link them all down below. Here is my outfit. I took some photos in this dress the other day. It's such a gorgeous dress. Unfortunately, it is sold out and it's from last year's collection, so they didn't bring it back, but I'm wearing it because I just thought it would be like super cute for a photo. I tried to find something similar when I was trying to link it on my Instagram, but I didn't find anything. So unfortunately, I can't link something too similar, but I'll link something somewhat similar. And then I have on the recycled hijab in the shade Rosewood. It's probably one of my favorites. It's a stunning pinky mauve color. It's gorgeous. About to head downstairs and grab some packages that just came to the door, and then we can unbox it. Alright, so we got a few packages. This is from Demore, and then of course Amazon. Bringing the stuff inside my room, closing the door, like, so we don't get disturbed. Okay, so where should I put you guys? The lighting in my room is kind of all over the place, so I have to like strategically put this somewhere, maybe like over here. Okay, this is a good spot if it stays. Okay. So I got a couple things from Amazon, and then I have my Sephora package that came in, which I'm really excited about. I waited like 2 whole weeks for this to come in. And then lastly, I have a package from Demore Labels, which I'm also really excited about. So I was planning to do 2 lookbooks. One was going to be a Ramadan lookbook featuring like abayas and stuff, and then the second one was going to be my Eid lookbook, which I do every year. But now it's already 12 days into Ramadan. I don't know if I'm going to have time to do both, honestly, so I might end up having to do just the Eid lookbook. But then I feel bad because brands are still sending in the product, so I don't know. We'll see how it plays out, but let's see. Let's open it up. Let's open up Sephora first because who doesn't love Sephora? Hold on, I need scissors. Okay, got my scissors. Let's open this up without killing myself. Okay, the thing that I'm most excited about is this Jo Malone perfume that I picked up. This is in Velvet Rose and Oud, and that just sounds so lovely. Let's open this together and have a little spritz, shall we? Oh my god. Oh my god. It smells so good. You guys. Wait. Why does this remind me of my cousin? I need to ask her if she uses this. This is lovely. This is, oh my god, this is so good. I love it. I love it so much. It's so good. If you guys want to check it out, it's this bottle right here. Okay, next up, I picked up my Anastasia Foundation, but just in a lighter shade, because the one I currently have, I stole from my little sister who no longer uses hers, but she's not darker than me, but she's like, okay, yeah, maybe she's a little bit tanner than I am, so she has a darker shade, so I got a lighter shade. I got the shade 260N. This is awesome, especially if you have like textured skin or acne scarring. It covers that up really well. So this foundation is actually pretty nice. It's clinically approved, dermatologist tested, vegan, gluten-free, what else? Long wearing, no flashback, and all sorts of other great stuff. So if you guys are in the market for some new foundation, definitely check this one out. I love it. So it's actually what I have on right now. In the darker shade. Okay, and then lastly, I just picked up my moisturizer that you guys probably heard me talk about 5 million times. It's the Caudalie Venusaur's. I love it. It's super thick, moisturizing, super hydrating, and I like it because it is super thick because I feel like it locks in moisture at night. So I picked a new guy up. So that is that. Okay, what should we open next? I'm gonna open up Amazon. I don't know if this is gonna be like exciting, but let's see, because usually Amazon purchases are like household items and stuff for me. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, so I shared on my stories my favorite leggings that I wear all the time. My memory card got full, so I had to stop and start again. So anyways, long story short, I shared that on my stories, and then a lot of you guys were asking me, do you have any favorite basic tops as well? So I reordered my favorite from Amazon because the one that I wear is like honestly like just really worn out. So before I shared on my story, I wanted to get a brand new one. So this is the one I get from Amazon. They are so comfortable. They also have a high neck, which I really like because when I'm doing stories or doing hijab tutorials, then this covers it. And it's also a really soft, like, I wouldn't say jersey, but a very soft cotton material. So I got the white one restocked. And what size did I get? I got a size small, but I definitely recommend sizing down because they do run a little bit big. So I usually get an extra small, but they were out, so I just picked this one up. And this also comes in a ton of colors. So they have black, nude, tan, beige, even some colors like red and other stuff. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link this down below. It's just a awesome basic to have, and it's really inexpensive as well. So I got that, and then let's see what's in the last Amazon package. Oh, okay, I'm really excited about this. This is a travel makeup case that I got. No, I'm not traveling anywhere anytime soon, but my cousin visited me from Chicago about a week or two ago, and she had this, and her makeup was organized so well. I was like, wait a second. Why is my makeup in a pouch? Like, why is it in a bag? And why is my hand always going in and digging around for an eyeliner? I need one of these too. So I got this, and I think this is just going to be super helpful to keep my makeup organized on an everyday basis because currently, I'll show you guys how it is. Okay, currently my makeup is all in this bag, and it's so hard to get my makeup out. Like if I'm looking for my eyeliner, I'm like, oh, this is not the eyeliner, and then I go, and it's just so annoying. So all of my makeup fits in here, but I just needed it more organized, so I got this, and I think it's going to be really nice. So let me open it. This is what it looks like inside. They have all these little compartments, which makes it really easy to keep your stuff. You can also pull this out and adjust it as you need it. So I plan on putting foundations here, bronzers and blushes, cream products here, and then like miscellaneous small little things there. And then at the top it has handles for brushes. So you can put all your brushes lined up here. And then in here, you can put like makeup wipes and cotton pads and whatever you want. So this is like super convenient. I guess I'll go ahead and open up this Demore package with you guys. I'll just show you a very small sneak peek. First of all, how cute are these little stickers? I love that everyone's doing like this little drawn out graphics. I think it's so cute. I wanted somebody to do one of like my face and make it like my icon or my branding, but I don't know. I don't know if it's like too playful and won't be like classic, but I think it's so cute. So just sent over a few stickers, and then I think these are 2 abayas, so I might just try it on later in the haul. Okay, so I made a big mess. Here is my bed now, and truthfully my room is a mess too. I haven't cleaned up in a while. So I'm going to sit down. I'm going to quickly place an order from Whole Foods to get some grocery delivered. It's already 5:20, so honestly I'm just like pushing it at this point. But they do luckily have like a 1-hour window and a 2-hour window, so I'm probably just gonna pay express to get it delivered within an hour. I don't know what I'm feeling though. I've been eating way too much meat since I'm on this diet, and I'm just really getting sick of it, so I don't want meat anymore. I guess I'll do shrimp. Maybe I can do like lettuce shrimp tacos. I don't know, I'm not feeling that, to be honest. Or maybe I'll just do some salmon. Yeah, I'll just do some salmon and get some vegetables. I've also been making that suja drink that I shared in my last vlog every single day for iftar, and it's been so good. It's so refreshing. Alrighty, I placed my order. I use the Amazon app because I have Amazon Prime, so everything gets delivered pretty quickly, and it's part of, like, I think the Amazon Prime membership. If you spend over $35, it's free. But yeah, I didn't use the free option today because I needed it expedited. While I wait for my groceries, I'm gonna quickly change and pray. We're going grocery through, so I'm gonna take these inside. Okay, so I got a few things: arugula, some tomatoes, a bag of lemon, some chickpeas, 2 bars of Lily's chocolate, a salted caramel, and then an almond one, a can of organic coconut cream, some parsley, cilantro, some fresh salmon, and I think that's it. Oh, one last thing. Cucumber. There is the salmon out of the oven. It just has salt, pepper, and red chili, I believe. Here is my salad. I put in the chopped salmon, put in some tomatoes, avocado, and some roasted almonds. And then I'm just going to put some sort of dressing on top of this. And it's going to be so good. Okay, just finished up dinner. Just got upstairs. Going to finish up some water. And then, yeah, wash up, change, pray Tarawih with my family, and then go to bed. Running super late, so didn't get to do an intro at home. I'm meeting up my friend for iftar, which I'm really excited about. I'm super excited to also have iftar out today because I haven't gone out to eat in a really long time. So I will take you guys in the restaurant when I get there, and I'm gonna focus on the road. Look who I'm with!
Woo! Finally!
How long has it been since we saw each other?
A long time. You have no friends left.
I almost lost you too, no?
Yeah. I was literally gonna cut it off.
Oh man, I'm really bad at returning phone calls and text messaging. But it's been, I think, like 4 or 5 months, I said. Is that right?
I don't remember. We talked every day.
We do. The weather is so pretty. Do you want to sit outside?
Sure.
Yeah, the weather's beautiful. I'm starving. We have like 6 minutes before iftar, so we're right there though. Like right there. Damasi's. It's a Mediterranean restaurant. Literally all I've been eating is Mediterranean food. But whatever. I'm back home now. I just made myself a little drink. I feel like I don't drink enough water when I'm fasting. This helps me. I just squeezed in a little bit of lime and stevia, and it's so good. But anyways, I'm going to quickly show you guys my outfit. I did a full try-on haul in my stories. I'll put a little snippet here if you guys want to check that out. But I just got in all of these pieces from Boohoo, so I'm trying it on. It's pretty dark since it's late at night, but let me try to brighten this. So I have on this lounge set from Boohoo. It's just like a super comfortable black set. So the top is pretty loose. I wish it was a tad bit longer, but I don't mind it too bad. And then the pants are nice, modest fit. I also got this gorgeous dress for my Eid lookbook, but this one is out of stock now. Plus they sent me the wrong size. So I don't know if this is gonna fit me or not. I'm hoping it does. Anyways, I think I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm about to quickly wash up, change my clothes, and then head downstairs to pray Tarawih. My parents have been waiting for me for the last 10 minutes, and I'm starting to feel bad. So I'm going to be quick, go downstairs, pray, and then I'm going to come back upstairs and then probably listen to a lecture or two before I go to bed. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next Ramadan vlog. Bye!